How to pair IKEA Styrbar. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily pair the IKEA Styrbar remote with your device, whether you're setting up lights, blinds, or other smart home products. Let's get started. First, let's get the IKEA Styrbar remote ready. If you haven't already, insert the batteries into the remote. Make sure the remote is powered on by checking for a small light indicator. Before pairing the remote, make sure your IKEA smart devices like free smart lights, smart blinds, or smart plugs are already set up and powered on. You need to ensure that the devices you want to control with the Styrbar remote are connected and ready to sync. Now open the IKEA Home Smart app on your smartphone. This app is essential for pairing your IKEA Styrbar remote with your devices. If you don't have the app yet, go ahead and download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. In the IKEA Home Smart app, tap the Devices section and select the smart device you want to pair with the Styrbar remote like a light or blind. Now press and hold the pairing button on the IKEA Styrbar remote for about 10 seconds until the light on the remote starts flashing. This will put the remote in pairing mode and it will start searching for nearby devices. Back in the IKEA Home Smart app, you should now see the Styrbar remote appear in the list of devices. Select it and follow the prompts to pair it with your smart device. Once pairing is complete, test the connection. And that's it. That's how you know how to pair your IKEA Styrbar remote with your smart devices.